Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are all good. Today I will show you how to clear temporary files on Windows 10, clear DNS cache, and how to clear Windows Store location or Windows Store cache memory and also clear location cache. Let's start. First of all, let's discuss about clear temporary files by disk cleanup. First of all, open search option. From here, write disk cleanup. Now you can see disk cleanup app. Click on it and select C drive. After that, click OK. From here, select which you want to be clear. For example, temporary internet files or anything else that you want to be delete or remove, such as downloads, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, etc. After that, click OK and delete files. Now, this is deleting recycle bin, thumbnails, and other memory. It's done. Now discuss about clear DNS cache. First of all, search command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator. Click yes. From here just write ipconfig slash flush DNS. After that hit enter. Now you can see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. After that we will discuss about clear Windows Store cache. By this you need to be run command prompt. Press Windows plus R key. Here write CMD and hit enter. In this window write reset.exe and hit enter. It will take few minutes or maybe few seconds to clean up clear Windows Store cache. Just wait a little bit. It has done. Now we will discuss about how to clear location cache. Open settings. From here select privacy and from here select location. Here you will see option of clear. It's about to be clear location history on this device. Just clear it and it has done. In this way you can clear different cache memory in your Windows 10. Hope so you enjoy this video. Please thumb up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.